Hi, I'm Chloe, and before HackRide, I worked at Apple as a specialist helping people solve everyday tech problems, but I wanted to be on the other side of the product. I've always loved understanding how things work, whether it's debugging tech for friends or assembling furniture without instructions. Paired with my creative drive, becoming a software engineer felt like a natural extension of that curiosity and a way to build something bigger than myself. When my mom was diagnosed with Parkinson's, I saw firsthand how hard it was to manage nutrition while dealing with fatigue and brain fog. I wanted to build something that made that part of daily life a little easier, so I built Steady, a wellness app designed to support Parkinson's patients and caregivers with meal planning and mindful nutrition tracking, reducing decision fatigue around food. We'll start at the homepage where users can create an account or log in. I'm using Postgres SQL for the database and Argon 2 hashing to securely store passwords. Once inside, users land on the dashboard, which shows today's meal plan, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, and a Chart.js visualization of nutrients from the meals they've logged that day, showing key nutrition stats like protein, fiber, and vitamin intake in an interactive bar chart. The chart updates dynamically when new meals are logged or removed. On the weekly meal plan page, users see a full week's overview. Again, each day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and any snacks. They can click Edit to choose a specific date to manage that meal plan, where you can search recipes or add or remove from the meal plan. The log meal page works similarly, but includes a date picker, so users can backlog or plan ahead. Then there is the grocery list page, automatically generated based on the week's meal plan. It saves users time and mental energy by compiling everything they need in one place. This is all accomplished using Flask and SQL Alchemy on the back end, and Ginger templates, JavaScript, and Ajax on the front end. One future feature I'm really excited about is integrating Twilio SMS reminders to help users remember to eat or take their medications throughout the day. I also want to add nutrient previews for recipes before users add them, and more advanced filtering for dietary needs like low sodium or high protein options. One of the hardest parts was writing efficient database queries to filter and serve personalized recipe data, but it really helped me level up my backend logic and JavaScript interactivity. Getting Chart.js to sync with Ajax data was also a puzzle I was proud to solve. Building Steady reminded me why I chose this path, to create thoughtful, inclusive tools that make life easier in small but meaningful ways. Thanks for listening.